text what the girl know him I did the promo for. I'ma say, and what's the reason to block someone that pays for your goods? That you do what come like a judgment because for myself. Yes, I said, so said, so done. The woman for the promo blocked me. When the woman blocked me now, I had to make a post to let everybody know that her page is a thieving page. Because everybody are gonna still come to me. You see? Everybody are gonna still come to me and I go want me now fear ask me about their money if them paid fear if them go buy wig from her. So because me no want nobody to come back to me about the same thing, I posted a video asking, telling everybody don't buy no wig from her. She's a scammer. Me not do nothing wrong, so Instagram just take down my thing them now. And then you can't blame me now because listen, I can't know when a page a scam. So look like what them do now, true them know say is a free, is a cheap promotion. Them must say, alright, me no mind lose 2,500 because if me a sell wig, people on Instagram are gonna buy the wig. And that them a thinking on. And that them a say, them no mind lose 2,500 because to how cheap them a go sell the wig. Them a go shit. No sir. To how cheap them a go sell the wig. Them a go them a get back money. So you know what them do? Them pay for the promotion and I sell back the wig them cheap. So me did have to make a post. Right, you do when you look you sell about. But that's just one of the style of how me get things off of my mind. I'ma tell you the truth as a grown adult right here. How I get past these stuff because you know see a lot of people when them have them Instagram page and them page get take where them tend to cry and them tend to do all sort of madness, but it's never too late to start back. I set myself since night. I cried since night, me not gonna lie. Yeah, I have alcohol, I'm gonna use it. I cried since night, me not gonna lie to you. But me tell myself this. That page wasn't for mine. That Imbola page wasn't for mine. That page wasn't mine. It was Renee 630 page. How should it feel when we did hack our page and I use our page? I think that is more hotter. No, I'm just to be honest with you right now as a grown, changed person. I'm want to know reason with me. I'm not going to block nobody if you talk the truth. Because black one girl a while ago if you talk the truth. It did hurt no damn. Me did have to block you because you go on like a year live. You should have waited till me come and explain now. Then you start talk. You know, come speed up the live. I want to talk before me. This is my life right now. So I'm going to talk as big people. So if you not tell me the truth, I'm not going to block you. I think that it hurts more for somebody to steal your page and I use it while you watch them I use it than Instagram delete your page or disable your page. Well, people must say never did know this for a long time, but that you the page gone no say no so I can come out and I for the start to shoot. As I say, I do it for tell my mind, forget just I do it to get my mind off of this. So me think it hot to teach somebody page and I use it and them I watch you use it than Instagram disable your page and it gone. When the Instagram disable your page and you know say it gone, you will feel away now. And you will go some box and go back on your foot and build a new page and big shout out and try to get back up yourself. But when somebody thief your page and the person that on Instagram and use your page, you can't do nothing about it and you watch them. That is more utter worse for see. The people them get too much likes on it and how much this and how much that. So what me I go put in my head right here so don't forget over the page there. Thief from thief, God laugh. Me thief it from Renee, no Instagram thief it back from me. Because thief my page because them have the angles and me never give them my page, me never give them my password, me never tell them to take it and them just log me out of my account. So thief it. So thief from thief, God laugh. So me thief her page and she feel away now. Me never know how it feels, so me never feel no way about it. I go just continue to use the page. So now that Instagram come take the page from me, me know how it feel now. So the two of it hurt now. She hurt for what was hers and me hurt for what I stole. So Yeah, it's just one of those things. Thanks be to God, this page that I grew from scratch. So, a page gone now. So here we go now. Nobody can come say karma this, karma done gone now. About 15 minutes ago, karma take back the page. No, we are talking about reality page. I remember I built this page when me on live now from it. There's 0 followers to it. The how much followers is it now? I don't know in that 40s. So nobody can come tell me about that page. Yeah. I'm glad somebody build my bleaching page. I'm glad somebody build low page. And me I go take my time and grow my page from in the 40s where they know and go up to the case them. So this is my page now that I build. Nobody can come tell me about that page. And me build a page. So me, I go promote my thing and get back my thing up. The page gone now. So nobody can come to me come say give back our page. And if you go tell Instagram for give her back the page now, so you can't come to me and say give her back our page. Start say Instagram, give her back the page and the argument done. Anyways, me not dead for hungry. Nothing like that. I still have my views them for my live. I still have my picture them buzzy. And don't follow me. My cake still I go keep because guess what? My TikTok still active. So all who did follow me on TikTok or did follow that page there, them still there on TikTok. Don't even mention how active my YouTube is. So tomorrow morning now, I'm gonna get up early. I'm gonna make a vlog video and post it on YouTube and tell them say to follow that page and now because the other page got deleted. So you see almost 300 and odd K people did watch my prison video and the how much the 20 odd and no I lie the 68 person will watch my video about my pregnancy on my YouTube. Them can watch it back. My video I'm gonna post tomorrow and follow the new page. I was gonna change the name tonight back to the similar name, so them could have find me better, but I'm not gonna do it yet. Because Instagram get 24. I'm still off of the page, I'm not telling no like Instagram so give them 24 hours giving them till tomorrow. If I don't see nothing going till tomorrow, I'm gonna change the name yeah to Ivan that underscore me and change it back to the same exact thing we have. When I don't know so I can't sell on December the 7th, I still gonna keep it, people still gonna roll out. Me still gonna got my birthday celebration, me not care. I still gonna post up my friend them in the competition, Tough Crackers, Wally D, all of them. I'm glad say the competition when we in a savage competition and me I lead them by far competition end Monday, me still gonna get that $50,000 there. And the competition I'm in with the phone if we win the 13 Pro Max or the 12 Pro Max and you're the only person the 4,000 everybody else there 100, 500, 800. So me still win the competition. When I take a stock of the cat when me down and Tarzan still gonna be my crush. I'm still gonna post him all over. So nothing to change. What going Wally? Nothing about it not change. The only thing I gonna change is my big belly when I soon see a push out. I'm not gonna find my back, I'm not gonna want to see the belly grow. So basically that's it. So anyway guys, that's just that. One of them days there are things that you reach if you know how other people feel and them thing they feel it man, me feel it. I cry as Abel. I never cry so yet. All Wally and the one of them poor thing. Them try everything to try help me get all Pinky a call me. Janella call me, Sash text me. All of them text me, I try to help me out, but we need to start friend Instagram. You know, so what somebody tell me say make a backup page, and that's why I'm run go be Louis page and the bleaching page. So you're pregnant for Tarzan soon to be. So anyway, people, that's just that. So that was one of them days. I'm not even gonna say things that happen for know the feeling, because I know the feeling. Alright, watch this. Who did remember one time when we did eye water page? You remember that time when we did eye water page? In a them time there? You remember one time when we did eye water page them time? Remember I never did have Renee 630 page them time there? And I never did have that page and neither. I did have one other page where that was my page from before me did get shot, when me did live on a trigger. You remember that page there? And a fight, a something that they make the page get take away. Remember me and Pretty did a cuss. I'm gonna tell her, say, wow, me go hack her page or whatever. I did a post up a bag of things, and the post up a bag of things, them they delete my Instagram account. So it's not the first time my account has been get disabled, and the page I did well active. Make such tell you because hey, I love them no session up. And from them time there. From them time the Sasha and everybody come on me and give me apitamine and them from them long time there. And the page I did well active. Me I tell you it did active bad. And it did get disabled. And what me do? Me did build one next page again and did get disabled again and then me did start. So come now me did start take Instagram page. So I know the feeling when somebody lose them Instagram page. And you see all of the people that me have the promotion for, I'm glad to say me write down them name in my book. So me still have to continue the promotion in the Panda page here. But as me say, I'm not changing name Panda page until tomorrow. So that's just it. I would people wish them did have my page right now, middle life pan. Some people when them page get disabled, them have to start over from zero. Look at image, we have to start over. And I think if I'm wrong, tell me if I'm Jesus Christ Louis food all long so out. If I'm wrong, tell me if I'm wrong. Though Geo page did go away already. I'm not talk the fan page. Geo page did go away already, don't. And Kenny's did a share, man. Everybody did a share. Man, see you reach back up in them 100K. I think it's better when you start your own, when you start your Louis, come, I'm sorry for I give Louis some beating. I don't know if him foot broke. I feel that way, you know. I feel that way because I'm a little puppy. I should have never do him that. I hold him short and give him some lick on him like them. Oh God, if I'm lick him in the sink, come out. I feel that way. From a licky dog in poor. Lulu, come here, baby. Come here. Mommy's sorry. Come here. Oh God, the dog afraid of me every time I call him, he run. I'm sorry for you, I never mean to lick you. Yeah? You hear? Sorry. No, baby. Him not do nothing. The page gone and I want Louis Bab no can give him. Suppose you know. Oh God, right as some must have hurt him. I beat him, you know? I beat him since night. Lulu? Mommy sorry, yeah? Yeah? He's just a baby. I don't deserve this. I deserve this. I beat him for true. I give him some. I hold him so. But they just get mad. I don't know. I just hold him by him neck so. And smack him. Oh God, he must have feel pain. I feel the same when I should have never do him that. Because a baby puppy, you know? I'm a little poodle. No, Mommy sorry. What you do him for? Lick him, mom. Lick him hard. From lick him running, him not come out. You know, baby? Mommy sorry. What's the one I say? Van, I can't believe you're doing that. I can't believe Nyla and get some lick. You say, I feel the female, see? When I time, come eat, man, come. Louis, if you get all food from 7 o'clock. And I want you getting food every time. I don't even remember, but 7 o'clock. I'm not giving no feed. I never give no feed. I just, in the phone, I try to get back this damn teeth in Instagram page. So. That's just one of the vibes right there. So me never know me never know say me lick him so hot until me don't lick him. Him start for chew, him get some lick. You come like you don't know what is lick. Give him some lick. Him have to feel them, him not dead. Him soon start play again. This. Hey, may I show you how social media wicked. Watch out. May I show you how social media is a big impact and social media is addictive. You know, long me having that we get and I decide to not take it out until the 5th of December. Listen, you know, me I show you how social media it is very obsessful. You know how long I having that wig and I decide to not take out the wig until December the 5th. Because I plan to do my hair the 6th for the cake so the 7th I got hotel the 8th. And as the Instagram page gone since night, me I use alcohol and I try rub it off. Me just want to feel free. And me know say if the page never gone tonight, me I depend live with you on the page. Because the page I come live on because the other page get blocked. Or I have to join somebody's live. And me I tell you say me wouldn't take off the wig, you know. I wouldn't take off the wig. But because the page gone now. Stress out, my mad out. It lick my nerves. It lick my nerves, brother. Why I beat the dog? Because, alright, I had a reason why I lick him. I never just go lick him. After me there, I started trying to get back Instagram. When you look, Louis sit down in the water. Louis sit down in the water. So I just clot him backside. But me I play with him since tonight. Me I try to friend him up. Him not even a play. Lolo, don't call the police, eh? Vanny Louis is a baby and him breed very soft, so don't beat him. Well, I'll let take back the lick and come let me with it because since me look how long I tell us I'm lick him and gone and I still depend this thing. But him always a playing at the water, Vanny. And me always a lick him feet though. When him throw all himself in night, him wet up himself. You know, say, here, pick off me here, this. Imagine if it was a child, see him where you treat it, yeah, beat it, kill it. Yeah. We are going to call police, problem? Yeah. Yeah, that me I going to do. If me have one baby, I'm left him in a room, I'm going to catch him in a shower and I bath, sit down, I beat him, kill him, yeah. That me I going to do. But anyway, guys, I'm just joking. I'll never hit my child. You're sick, girl, I'ma block you. Then if I'm sick, what I do for my life? Then you not crazy and insane. Cause I could have there so watch one mad smaddy. As much as I want to follow me, I will block you know. You hear me I tell you? Me will block you off of my page. As much as you know follow me, I will block you. I don't need you. Oh. This is not the end of the world. Know that? This is not the end of the world. So me will block you now. Go do me here tomorrow. Give Lulu treat and he will find and he will friend you back. Him not have a friend me, him can't get me back my Instagram. That's why God never make you carry the one. Cause Javi couldn't mind it, that's why God kill it. Yeah. Block you. Yam fuck. And that's why God never give you no vagina and give you a fucking big batty hole. You know, say people never get me out. Where have I let them get me out? What is the name of your bleaching page? I don't remember. I don't remember. I forgot look. Yeah, she too bright. God no want the baby suffer. So you rather take him in heaven. Gone the entire front of my ear gone. I take off this. Look there, the side of my ear gone. I don't know. See that? Side of my ear gone. Congrats on your pregnancy. Thank you. Tomorrow I'm gonna make one vlog video call. The boy Rami and say he wanna kill me. Thought you said you changed your thought too much. Anyway guys, I'm going to get off the live now. So you did report him? No, I'm gonna go tomorrow. Remember, so when I not tell me if you reported something or whatever, I was in Portmore. I was at Appliance JA. So later, guys. No updates on up on Wagwan tomorrow. Bye, love y'all.